Hey, what we're listening for today is this sort of whiny sound that you can hear when I'm going at slow RPMs. It just what happened the other day, you can hear it now. Kind of has that sound like you hear on the geared hubs when you're braking. It changes frequency with the RPM, so I'm thinking it's something engine related. It seems to be getting a little bit louder over the days, so I'm wondering what that may be. It doesn't seem to be steering related, it's just straight RPM related. Sorry, I'm driving around a parking lot here. It's a little bit bumpy. Alright, so now I'm at a stop. And I'll slowly get it up to about 1,000 RPM and you can hear that noise. Again, it sort of has this like wah, kind of a whine to it. Hopefully that's what you can hear through the camera. So if you got any ideas, let me know. Thanks.